what's up? It's your favorite night nurse, Nurse Viv, and we are back once again to give you a special sneak peek, an exclusive tour of the Aria Corner Suite. So come with me and let's take a peek. This is suite number 5311, and just like over at the, why am I drawing a blank? Over at Vidara, the magnetic keys, you don't need to slide them in, it's just a sensor type of thing. Alright, let's go. So when you first come in, one thing you should know is that Aria definitely packs a lot of features into a small space. So you're going to see a lot of stuff that's kind of cramped, but really in the overall design, very comfortable. So the first thing you see is, of course, throne room number 1. Very, very cute. I love this basin. It looks kind of jade colored-ish, which of course for me, since I'm Asian, I love it. I love jade. But you know, nothing super special or fancy, your typical throne room. It'll get you through whatever business you need to handle. And then there's immediately when you walk through, it's this super cute little sitting area. This is adorable. Now I must say one thing, I will let you know that even though this is a corner suite, because for some reason it's crowded out here right now, we did not get the optimal view. We will show you a picture of that later, but we are kind of right by the tram and we look up to the Cosmos, their day pool, but we'll give you a view of that. But as you can see, there's a cute little sectional couch over here. Very, very comfortable. You know, your normal accoutrements, which would be your remote, and various table books. And the TV is great. I mean, absolutely. Look at the flat screen. That's got to be what, like a, I don't know, 40-inch, 50 perhaps. Very clear, perfect. Love it. And directly over here to our left, you'll see the bar area where you see, of course, the bar essentials to get you started, your little snacks and whatnot. And then here's your mini bar. Very well stocked. I'm very impressed with this actually. If you take a look, you've got spirits all over here, snacks, sodas, waters, beer, wine, etc. Those things actually vary. If you look on here, not too bad. Anywhere from $3 all the way up to, if you want the Patron, $55. So those are your prices if you plan on imbibing in the suite itself. And then on the other side, what you'll see is your regular fridge, which is a great feature. As you can see, I've already put some things in here for my stay. There's a little ice maker, that's essential. And I've just put in my Fiji water, and my sodas, and my own mini bar stuff. But anyway, it's a good feature to have both of these here like that. It's very cute, very functional. That's the word I'm looking for. Overhead lights over here, very nice. And now if we go into where the magic happens, the bedroom. But first, let's take a tour of the bathroom. I have to say, in this throne room number 2 has got to be my favorite feature, and I vow to myself the next house I build, I'm going to have a toilet like this. Come on in. Look at this. The amazing bidet features of the toilet. Now, I don't know about you, but as a female, having the option of being able to do some rear cleansing or some front cleansing and the dryer, oh, that is life. That is like everything. So it's amazing, and this alone makes me give this suite 5 stars. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I like the frosted door. It's opaque enough to give you a little privacy, but you can still peek in. And then if you go over here, again, small space utilized in the best way. 2 double sinks. This is amazing, it's great. Beautiful fixtures, I like the modern fixtures, and of course you've got great amenities, dental kits, the works. Absolutely beautiful space. And then here is your bathtub, typical size for a hotel, but still absolutely roomy enough to really relax. And hey, look at this, a remote to what? Your TV. How convenient. So if you talk about soaking, you can really soak. Watch some football, news, whatever it is you need to get in, maybe your stocks, check in on your stocks and whatnot. Very, very functional. I love this little space. And then, of course, you've got your, as all Vegas, mostly all Vegas hotel rooms have, a huge shower. And is this not super cute or what? It's got the tile in here, which is the marble tile, and then look at this. Look at this. This is so pretty. It's like a, I don't know, like an alabaster like type of tile. It's very pretty. And then you've got a little bench if you get tired, or like me, and you shave your legs or whatever. And then you've got your accoutrements right here. Everything you need to get super cool. So again, if you really look at this, it's a small space, but it's very well utilized. I love it. I absolutely love it. Now, of course, like I said, where the magic happens, the bed. And I have to say, I'm not disappointed. Thought I was going to be, it looked like it might be a little lumpy, but it's great. It feels awesome. Just like, I wouldn't put it on par with the Cosmopolitan, but it's still very comfortable. And the spacing between the bed and the flat screen TV is perfect. You've got a little bench right in the front if you want to hang out, tie your shoes, whatever you need to do. And again, here's our little view. It's not the most optimum, but hey, you know, this is what you get when it's in Vegas and it's popping. So not too many complaints from me. You can always shut the shades. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is the closet. Now look at the space in here. That's a lot of space considering the size of the room. And of course, my favorite, robe. If they have a robe, you know I'm gonna wear the robe, and not only a robe, slippers. Yay! I love it. And of course you have your standard safe and hangers and everything else, like an ironing board and all that kind of stuff that you need. Perfect. Still plenty of space for a single or a couple. No worries, no problem. And there you have it. This is the corner suite at the Aria Hotel, which is the sister property of the Vdara. And I have to say, so far I'm quite pleased. I mean, for the amount of space that you're given, they maximize it. And that's the thing. If you can maximize the space, no worries, man. Thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe, rate, like the comment below. Give me any comments. I'd be happy to answer any questions. You guys have a good day. Ciao.